Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 12, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 12, 2024, our system has ranked Palantir as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.18. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Despite some natural fluctuations, the stock is currently at a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently in a wide and horizontal trend in the short term. This can potentially be a good buying opportunity. However, if the stock breaks below the bottom trend line at $15.97, it would signal a strong sell and indicate a shift in the trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 0.548% change over the next 3 months. The possible return ranges from minus 5.23% to 26.23%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 123.45% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 116.46% and 209.1%. In terms of price, it could range from $36.28 to $51.81 after a year. Our latest update on Palantir brings an important headline: Palantir stock upgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 12, 2024, the Palantir stock price increased by 0.480%, going from $16.68 to $16.76. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.65%, reaching a low of $16.62 and a high of $17.06. It's worth noting that the price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of minus 4.56% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 34 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $565.63 million. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume at higher prices could indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the upcoming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $21.85, while the lowest was $5.84. Currently, the price is 23.29%, or $5.09, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 62.76%, or $28.24, lower than the all-time high achieved on January 27, 2021, when the price reached $45. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, January 5, 2024, Jefferies gave PLTR a grade of underperform with a downgrade action. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, August 31, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave PLTR a grade of underweight with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Raymond James gave PLTR a grade of outperform with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general buy rating. They highly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price to book, which both indicate a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral outlook. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for Palantir stock. On Friday, January 5, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 4.88%. This suggests that there may be further growth until a new top pivot is found. In addition, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it's worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day despite the rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the stock in light of this. Some negative signals have also been identified, which may impact the stock's short-term development. While the short-term moving average indicates a buy signal, the long-term average suggests a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this gives a more negative forecast for the stock. Looking ahead, the stock will face resistance at $17.78 from the long-term moving average if it continues to rise. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support at $16.50 from the short-term average. Breaking above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the general sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to watch out for is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another interesting signal is the pivots, which indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average also showed a buy signal 6 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 27 days ago. It's worth noting the relationship between the short and long moving averages, which indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a sell signal 29 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also provided a sell signal 10 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 66 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. The stock of Palantir is finding support from accumulated volume at $16.20. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as it is expected to react positively when tested. Palantir's stock usually has moderate movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of $0.440, representing a 2.65% fluctuation between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 3.58%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Palantir has an exceptionally high PE ratio, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings are at $0.0800. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we're going to dive into some potential day trading levels for Palantir. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level we should keep an eye on is at $17.84. For those who don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding Palantir, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock starts to decline, Palantir encounters its first support level at $16.20. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point for traders looking to anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Palantir has a combined average rating of buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 3, 2024, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman sold 6,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Moore Alexander D. sold 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. On December 6, 2023, Planishek Heather A. sold 27,608 shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -20.228. Overall, insiders have purchased 8,155,717 shares and sold 12,449,053 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $16.05, which represents a decrease of 4.24%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 5 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Although Palantir holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. It should be considered as a hold candidate or a stock to accumulate in this position while waiting for further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the last trading day and found that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, January 16th, we expect Palantir to open up $0.0533 and start trading at $16.81. Before we begin, let's keep in mind that trading comes with a certain level of risk, and it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. We want to emphasize that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. It's important to understand that by using the information provided, you take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know your target for the stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead.